Hello viewers, today I will show you how to take online exam for student using Google Form. Firstly, you have to log in your Gmail account. Then you will find Google Apps option, click on it and click Form option and click Blank page. This is an untitled form. First click Setting option, collect emails, record limited to response. Click on it, on time, presentation, quiz, turn on it. Immediately after this submission, miss question, correct answer, point below. Okay, save it. This is an untitled question. An email. This email need to the student for fill up. Untitled from type English, time, description, add question, name, also short answer, required, add question, click on it, role, short answer required, click plus question required, add option, add option, option. Now we'll set numbers 5 and the answer. Save. Now we'll add another question. Add option. Set number 5 and the answer. Done. Form required. Now we'll click preview. This is our form. Now click send option. You can share this form by mail or create link, short link, copy. Now I'll paste this link, another browser, paste. This is our from email. We will submit this from email. Name, question, learning, submit, view answer. Now we'll see our form. This is our response, summary, shows it, roll number, answer. You can get this answer on Google Sheet, spreadsheet. create. This is the student submission, date and time, email, score, name, roll number and answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment.